What we have here, what's called a Permobil M3 power chair, teal green color, really sharp color. This power chair has 72 miles, so that means it was used for about 3 or 4 months. If a person uses their chair daily, they're going to put about 300 miles a year on their chair, so 75 miles, it's about 3 months of usage. So this chair is practically new, as you can see, barely broken in. It has 5 electrical functions. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric legs, and it also has the anterior tilt where the seat tilts forwards. 5 electrical functions. It has all kinds of other upgrades which we'll cover as we go along. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to show you how to make the seat go up and down. And you can do this through the joystick right here or through the little switch box back here. I like to use a switch box, it's quicker for me. So the first button, if you push it back, the seat will go down. So if you push it forward, the seat will start going up. So you're going to start roughly at 22 inches when you're down, and if you had 12 inches, by the time you're all the way up, you'll be at 34 inches. This is great if you want to do your dishes, you want to go grab stuff from the second cabinet, you want to see over someone else's head over at the movie theater. It's just a great thing to have. And the nice thing about this also, this chair will drive at a decent speed with the seat elevator. As you can see, I can't make it go fast in here, but you can see it does move with the seat elevated, okay? So let's look at the base while the seat's elevated. We have 14-inch solid tires. They will not mark your floors. Caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You have an anchor point here, and you have another one inside of here. You have 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. This is where you secure your chair to your lift or to your van if you're going to transport this chair. There's suspension in here that's really good suspension. You can see if I push down, you can see the fork moving up and down here. Great suspension. You also have with this chair 2 motors, okay? You can see the motors right here. There's one here and there's one here. They go from the front, they go all the way and right to the hub, okay? If I want to push this chair, well, this chair weighs 400 pounds plus. I can't push it, I'm not going to lift it. But if you had the power off, okay, and right on top of the motor, you can see there's a little reflector here, but right here, it's just a little handle with a little screw. If you push that inward, what that does, it unlocks the drive wheel, as you can see. Okay, so you have to do both motors, then you can roll the chair around. So this is your motor, and this is where you unlock them right here on top. And when you're done, do not forget, put it back in gear. And the reason you want the power off is you don't want no resistance in the motor when you put it in neutral, okay? So you can actually see the seat lift right here, how the way it's built. These chairs are engineered to the max. They're fantastic chairs. So we're going to bring the chair back here. So right now I'm going to bring the seat back down. So this is a swing away joystick, so you can swing the joystick away from the front, so when you get to a dining table, you can get this much more clearance, okay, instead of having to raise the arm like this, which is hard to do when you're driving. So with a swing away joystick like this, it's a lot easier to get close to a dining table. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side with no problem at all, okay? So the next thing we're going to talk about is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt is when the base right here goes back. So when the base right here goes back, it's going to take the legs, it's going to take the back, because they're all connected together. Okay, this is good if you want to relieve pressure on your lower back, on your bottom. You want to relax, you want to sleep, you want to transfer, you want to have some circulation in your legs. If you also want to have circulation in your leg, what you can do is tilt the seat back and raise the feet up like this, like I'm doing. Now, it doesn't matter if you're 5 feet tall or 6'3". We can adjust these legs to your height and your body size. So if you wanted some good circulation, of course this would be extreme, but if you only did the seat tilted back halfway, so if you look at here, if you did the seat halfway tilted like this, your feet are still higher than your body, as you can see, okay? So I'm gonna bring the legs, the feet, I'm gonna bring the tilt back down, leave the legs up for now. And another function you have on this chair is the electric recline. The electric recline is when the back goes back by itself without the bottom. That's called the electric recline. I'm holding the button, you can see. That's called the electric recline. So we'll see how far this goes. So if you were laying down flat, you would be flat with this one. So that's what it would look like if you were laying flat in this chair, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the back up and I'm gonna bring the legs back down at the same time. I'm doing 2 buttons at once. If you wanna do 2 functions at once, you wanna do it 1 button, you can do it through the joystick right here. When you're outside, leave those legs out a little bit so there's more room under the legs. I always leave them out like that when I drive outside. We're gonna bring the seat back up. Then we've covered 4 functions right now. We're going to show you the 5th one. The 5th one is when the seat goes forward. It's called the anterior tilt. Now usually what I like to do is raise the seat up a couple inches. Raise the seat up a couple inches. And then I do my anterior tilt. You see how this goes up right here? Look at the seat. So this is called the anterior tilt, folks. Quite a bit of tilt forward. So if you need to get out, this will help you get out, okay? You can see how much it raised. So these are the 5 electrical functions in this chair. This chair, the seat on this chair is 16 wide by 18 deep. Now we can customize these seats. So if this seat you need 18, you need 20 inch, whatever size seat you need, we can have bigger cushion. We can make these metal pans larger, deeper. We can do all that. So whatever size you need, you just let us know. We can make this chair fit. These arms are gel arms. These are gel arms on both sides. They do flip up, both of them. And on this side, you have a USB port right here. So if you want to charge your phone, the USB port right there under this arm. This chair has a chest guard also. Some people use this to stay in the chair if they have trouble staying put. And you also have your regular lap belt here. You have a fully adjustable headrest here, okay? You have a nice contoured back here. This chair is also equipped with headlights and tail lights, so we're going to turn the lights on. And these are the good lights. These are the factory expensive light. These will light up like a car. If you look at the wall right there, you can see how much light we have on the wall right there. And you also have hazards. And you also have flashers for that side and flashers for this side. So this chair is equipped from the factory with the headlights. I'm going to turn the lights off. If we look at the back right here, we have bag hooks here. So if you want to hook up a bag right here, you have 2 bag hooks. You have a fully adjustable headrest. And right here where my fingers are at is where the power button for the whole chair is, the breaker. I'm going to turn it off right now, you'll hear it. When we ship these chairs, the first thing you do is go right here, put your finger, and you have to go up and then that away. So up, and it's pretty hard, so it's not an easy button. And that turns the power back on to the front, and you just turn the power back on up front, okay? When you charge this chair, you will take your Permobil charger and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes all the way up to full, you're fully charged. So let's recap, see what we have here. This is a Permobil M3. This is a mid-wheel drive. That's the best turning radius you're going to get. So if you bring your legs all the way in, let me show you. We're going to bring the feet all the way under the chair. So if you were inside your house and you want to have the best turning radius, you would bring those in as close as possible, okay? And then you could go, actually we need to leave them out a little bit because they're hitting the wheels. So if you want to be in the house, this would be your turning radius. Now, another thing you got to realize with this chair, so if you go outside and the chair doesn't have full speed, like right now it says full speed, but it's not going full speed. It will not go full speed until the legs are out more. So I'm going to push the legs out more, and the light will turn. It just turned green here. Now watch. Watch when I turn the circle now. See how much faster it is? It's the same thing when you're outside. So if you're outside it's not going full speed. The legs have to be a certain amount out before the chair will let you go full speed. So this is the Permobil M3 mid-wheel drive chair. It has 5 electrical function. This chair has 72 miles. It was only used for about 3 or 4 months. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet, the interior tilt. It has the swing away joystick. It has the gel arms, the chest pad, the lap belt, the gel arms, the USB port, the factory lights, the bag hook, the adjustable headrest, the solid tires. This is just a sofa on wheels. This is just an amazing power chair. So this chair is here now. So if you're interested, just give us a call. We'll be glad to talk to you. So top speeds between 6.5 miles an hour. You can see how smooth that chair is because it weighs over 400 pounds. With the suspension it has and the weight of the chair, it gives you such a good ride. And you see how it stops as soon as I let go because it has electromagnetic brakes. The brakes stop as soon as you let go within a few feet. You can't even hear this chair. So it has no problem in my grass, but my grass has a good bottom. So if you go to anywhere in the yard where your bottom is hard and it's not sandy or mushy, you should have no problem at all. I'm going to raise the seat up so you can see the seat elevated. Here goes the seat. The seat's going up now. I always push the button the wrong way. All right, so this is the seat elevated. So if you're going to drive with the seat elevated, you need to be careful. So it drives about 3 miles an hour with the seat elevated. If you're going to drive with the seat elevated, please only do it on nice flat areas, okay? These are nice, expensive chairs. You have to take care of them. So if you're looking for a chair with electric seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, interior tilt, USB port, gel arms, swing away joystick, bag hook, built-in light from the factory, this would be a really nice one. And it's ready to go. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.